Hey Shopify users, in this video I am going to show you how to add a video to any section of your store where your theme doesn't give you the option built in that where you can add a video. So if you're trying to add a video on your home page, now this is debut theme. If you go into your home page, so let's see, on the left side you see sections, add section, and down here click more. You can see there's a video option. So I am not referring to areas where the theme gives you the option. So here you can quickly just upload your image from here, cover image that it's gonna show, and then here you will put your video link, and video link here is showing YouTube, but you know, this video link you can generate. I'll show you later. You can upload a file to Shopify and get this link. So anyways, once you have that link, you will put that in here, your video will show up. So this is pretty easy. So also another page probably people want videos on is product page. And if you go in products and say we have this product in here already, and inside here where you add the images, right here you can add a video file, and it will start to show along with the images. I already have a video in here. So again, this is not what I want to show in this video. Main purpose of this video is to show you how you can add a video in certain areas where you don't have these type of options. So let's get into it. So first thing first, what you will have to do is upload that file to Shopify. Now where do you do that is you will go to settings, and down here you see a files link, and inside here you will upload file, select your video, now this can happen, of course. File exceeded the maximum file size of 20 megabytes. Reduce the file size and try again. So yeah, if you're trying to create a video, you need to make sure you have a video that is under 20 megabytes. So I am going to quickly grab another video that is smaller than this. Okay, so I was able to find a smaller file, and I am going to select that file now. File uploaded successfully. So one thing you'll notice is it's not showing the file up here, and I've seen this issue before. Let's try one more time. And now it showed up. So this file size issue we dealt with, this 20 megs, with the pro account, I know you can have unlimited files, but I'm not sure about the size. So if this is a thing that you have to deal with, you have a lot of videos and they're larger than 20 megs, you can check with Shopify which account is best for you. But another option can be you can have a third-party service. There's CDNs you can have where you can upload the files, and then you could just use that link. So at this point we just want a link, so moving forward I'm going to put that link in the code, and that's how we'll add the video. So as far as the size of the video, yes, so there's a couple of options you can go with. Just go with some Shopify account that supports the file size of over 20, or go with a third-party service. So Anyway, so let's move on with adding this file to our page now. So what I'm going to first do is here, this link, copy link. So it will copy the link to this file, and then I am going to go back out, and I have a page already. Go into pages and say I have a promotions page. Now click in here. So you might see there is a insert video here. So if you click this, it's gonna show you insert a video by pasting the embed snippet. So what this is, I'm sure you're familiar if you've seen YouTube, gives you this embed snippet. So you can easily embed a YouTube video that you can do easily on your site. What I wanted to show you was not embedding YouTube videos. I wanted to show you how you want to have a video, you know, with no YouTube branding on it, you know. So a lot of people prefer to, you know, keep YouTube branding when they're showing their videos. So here, so I'm gonna close this, and let's in here now. What we are going to do is at this point you have copied the link, you could paste that somewhere, so we are going to use that in a little. And for now what we are going to do is in here, so you could have some text in here, you can do that. So right now I'm just gonna work on the video part. So what you do is we are going to write a bit of code in here. So this right now you have to switch it to HTML. You see the show HTML. So right now it's not in HTML mode, so you have to do show HTML, and then in here we will write video as a tag. Start that, controls equal to controls, and then for now I'm gonna do this. I'm going to give it a max width of 100% and height auto. And you will, every tag you have to start it like this and you close it like this. And then in the after that you will have source src equal to, in here you will post paste that link that you had just copied for your video, and then you can specify a type. Most common type is MP4, that's what I have, but you could have a different type, video / MP4, and then you will have this to close this area. This is like a shorter way of closing these tags, so you can close it like this. If there's no nothing goes in between, you can close a tag like that. So and then we still have to close out this tag down here like this, and that is it for now. And let's see, I am going to save this, and look at that, our video showed up. I mean, it has its controls. So one thing you might want to do is autoplay this video. And how will that happen is you can go back in the code, and in here you will do autoplay. This, save it, and you go back here, refresh this page. You can see I refresh the page, it's not auto-playing, but it's not because that the code is wrong or something. Sometimes you have to just close this, go to your store, and just refresh the preview. And now if I go in here, you can see that the video is auto-playing. So, and you see these controls down here, and if you wanted to get rid of them, you remember we added Shopify is having some issues. Come on, pages. Alright. Okay, so we will switch to the code view here. You see these controls. If I get rid of this, save, and then I'm going to close this other preview. This is at open, and then go from this menu, do a fresh preview. And we see the video is auto playing, and down here if I hover, look, there's no controls. And that's it. If you want to have controls there, you could do that. And another thing you might be wondering is the width of this. Now that is stepping more into CSS code, so that is a different topic. I don't want to touch too much on that, but you could look up, you can easily control the width of this video. And right now the width is at 100%. Well, I have a max width, but it's 100%, so it does not let that video go more than its 100% width. And so that's it. You have a video. So any area where you need a video, you will have that code in there and show a video. And I will leave that code under the description, and if you guys want to copy that, you can do that. That's it. Thanks for watching.